Ever wished gift giving could be delightfully simple and perfectly precise? Let's unlock the magic of the Amazon wishlist, turning guesswork into guaranteed smiles for any occasion. First, hover over Accounts and Lists. In the top right corner of Amazon.com from the drop-down menu, select Wish List. You'll see an option to create a wish list. Go ahead and click that. Now, give your wish list a fun and descriptive name. Something like birthday and holiday gifts works perfectly. You can even choose whether the list is public or private, and who can see it for maximum sharing. Keep it public. Click Create List, and just like that, your wish list is born. Now for the exciting part, filling it up. Search for any item you've been dreaming of, like this handy kitchen gadget. Click on the product to see its details. You'll notice a button that says Add to List or Add to Wish List. Click that and select your newly created wish list. Easy peasy. Ready to share the joy? Find the Share via Link option on your wish list page. Click it. This generates a unique link. Simply copy this link. You can then paste this link into an email, a text message, or share it directly on social media to let your friends and family know exactly what you're hoping for. No more guessing games, just perfect presents delivered right to your doorstep, or theirs for their own wish lists. So go ahead, create your Amazon wish list today, and make gift giving a breeze.